So people asking one question. So in my Facebook page is voting for fake reviews and fake ratings. So I have disabled my ratings and reviews. I can't show my Facebook reviews and the ratings. That is called you are adding for tab. Which one? This is called review tab. In a review we have the ratings and reviews will be there in this page. Yes or no? In this page, if you disable for rating and reviews, the simple option is called go to setting and Facebook page setting. That's only possible by particular one page only, not for all pages. Go to particular one page, remove that reviews and rating page, not remove permanently. It's only for disable and enable. That is option call is we can select here will be in this featured option. Which one? Future option, that is called template and tabs. Template and tabs. In this, which tab are you showing to disable? Simple click setting off, click for save. So the review will be showing for off. See this one. Review is there. Now go to your check here page. The tab will be removed here. Now come into here. Is there review in this? No tab for review button. So simply we can enable here. Just go to settings, template and tabs. So previous remove review is a disable. Now I can do for enable. Simple click for add tab. Add tab. Close. Setting. So once add it, you have to enable for your setting on. Click for save. Now just click for page. That is be called enable for your review option. Is it clear? You can remove enable and disable for your Facebook page review option. This is very important from your. You can hide your reviews and rating purpose. If any writing for bad reviews and writing for your page, your competitors.